How to contact with customer support of Binance. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to contact Binance customer support. Now open up your Binance app. After you open Binance, go to menu at the top left side. After you open this menu, now scroll to down, go to more services. Scroll to down, go to chat. From this option, now scroll to down, go to get support. After you tap on this get support, tap on this option now and type in P2P like this. Type in P2P to select one of this option, just tap on this one. Now scroll to down, tap on this search again and type in P2P again. Now tap on this send button. So it will give you this text. Now scroll to down and tap on this option which says on SOP, this one. So now tap on this search and type in customer support like this and tap on this send again. So from this option now if I tap on this OK button, now it will now connect me with Binance customer support agent. That's it guys on how to contact Binance customer support agent.